Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. I cannot say YouTube channel. So right now what I can say, I'm going live from Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page and Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram page also. So what I'm going to do right now. So before that I want to show you something. Let me show you one of my creation which is going viral. So this is what I want to show you. This is a rasgulla, you can see. But have a closer look. This is not rasgulla বা রসগোল্লা, এটা হলো রসগোল্লা ক্যান্ডেল। সো এই বছর আমি দুর্গা পুজোতে এটা লঞ্চ করেছি। আই ক্রিয়েট দিস রসগোল্লা ক্যান্ডেল, সেন্টেড রসগোল্লা ক্যান্ডেল। প্রাইস ইজ ভেরি লেস অ্যান্ড ডেলিভারিং অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়া। অলরেডি অনেকেই এখানে কিন্তু মানে অর্ডার দিতে স্টার্ট করেছে অ্যান্ড দ্য রসগোল্লা ইজ অলরেডি ডেলিভার্ড ইন খড়গপুর, ইন হাওড়া অ্যান্ড গোয়িং টু পাটনা অলসো, দিল্লি, কলকাতাতেও বিভিন্ন জায়গাতে যাচ্ছে। সো ইউ ক্যান অলওয়েজ চেক MaddyBee or Madhurima's Kitchen if you want to place order this রসগোল্লা ক্যান্ডেল। সো রাইট নাও লেটস গো ব্যাক টু কুকিং। তো আজকে আমি যেটা করব, এটা আমি মাঝে মধ্যে করে থাকি। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার ফিভার হয়ে গেছিলো, দ্যাটস ওয়াই এখন খুব একটা টেস্ট আমার নেই। তো আমি মাঝে মধ্যে একটা খুব চটজলদি র্যামেন বানাই, কোরিয়ান র্যামেন। আই ক্যানট consume this chili or like tikha thing, so that's why I cannot eat the Korean food, spicy food. That's why I always try to prepare it at home. So let's go for the cooking and I'll show you the ingredients, which is very easy, anywhere you can find it. So I have to switch the camera. How to do that? Yes, so let me adjust it. What I have, don't think this is something you can eat. I have to adjust it right now and let me show you the ingredients at first. So this will be the non-veg version, not the veg version. That's why I'm using some protein, non-veg protein in this recipe. And as I said, I had fever, so that's why what I have, this is what chicken sausage I have. This is what chicken sausage, and then one egg. Let me show you this one egg I'm going to use. This is bok choy or pak choy. This is optional. This is bok choy or pak choy, optional. If you don't want to use it, if you have palang or spinach at home, you can use that also. If you don't have, that's okay. As I said, it's very quick. And what I have, this is the noodle I have. So I'm going to prepare it with this. So first thing first, what I have to do, let me show you. Hope it's visible to everybody. So I have this red egg, that's why I'm using that. If you don't have this kind of egg, you can use the normal poultry egg or white egg. আমি কেন এটা ভেঙে নিচ্ছি, অনেক সময় দেখা যায় যে ডিমের ভেতরটা পচা থাকে। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমি যদি ডিরেক্টলি এটা আমি ইউজ করে দিতাম, তো ডিমের পচাটা না তখন হয়তো মানে খাবারে চলে যেত, খাবারটা নষ্ট হয়ে যেত। সো কিপ ইট অ্যাসাইড অ্যান্ড ইয়েস, I have spring onion, so I have to cut it. I will keep this here. So adjust the camera again. I think this camera problem will be solved very soon. I'm planning for that, so it will take some time. This is the chopping board I always use, and this is my knife. So spring onion green we need at first for the garnishing purpose. So I have the spring onion green. I will keep it here, and then the spring onion itself, just a slit, that's it. The recipe is very easy. So as I said about the candle, you can check MaddyBee and Madhurima's Kitchen, that is MaddyBee. You can check MaddyBee in Google and Facebook also. From Google you can order. So now I have to cut it. So these are the dices of chicken sausage. Someone run. So if you don't want to use the chicken sausage, You can use paneer also, paneer or tofu. So where it is, so it's here, and I have to cut it. Easy recipe, it's really, I love it. And one more thing, don't use cheese in this recipe, it won't be good. So it's better without cheese, you can prepare that. So I have this also. And about the pak choy or bok choy, I will let you know how to use it. So this is my station. So this is bok choy. I have to cut this portion. This is a bok choy or pak choy. I'll cut this portion, I don't need it. And ei jagata, if you plant it, this portion, you will get more bok choy. It's really a magical thing. So I'll keep this aside, and I have to clean the station. Just give me some time. I'm done with that. And now the noodle story. So I have to cut the noodle. So I have to cut the noodle, and this is what I have. And inside there will be taste maker. I will use that only. So inside it, these are the taste maker. I'm not going to use this portion, because you can see this is the chili, red chili powder. I don't want it spicy, that's why I'm not using this. So I'll go for the cooking, and let me clean the station and shift it again. So here goes my cooking station. Shift it. Shifting is here. I hope very soon I can solve this problem, otherwise it will be a problem for me also. So here you go, and I'll place the camera. I hope everybody can watch it. If you can, just let me know, because I cannot see anybody is commenting anything, so I'm not sure if you can see it properly or not. So without that, without your support or your comment, it is not possible to know. So here, switch on the gas, and then first thing first, I will add some vegetable oil. So you can use any brand for the vegetable oil. And first I will prepare the egg. But let me tell you something, in this recipe I am not adding any salt, because in this instant noodle we will get the salt. So this is the egg. First I will prepare. Basically this red egg is very tasty, that's why I am using this egg. So prepare the egg. And as I said, if you want to connect me for my candle, you can always go through Facebook or Instagram page and Google also, but please don't give me missed call. That is not done. You know, we are working hard, so I will appreciate a good call or a good cause. So let me cook it at first. And then I'm adding this chicken sausage, and I'm cooking it in high heat basically. It is one pot meal, or you can have it in dinner, or you can have it in lunch also. So this is what I have. Just I'm frying the chicken sausage. This is one of the tastiest recipe I can say. And then I will add this spring onion, and of course little bit of pak choy or bok choy. I love it, so that's why it's more. Basically you don't need that much, but I love it. So fried egg is here. The flipping is, yes, you can see I did the right flip and the egg is alive. And right now the water, I have to add some water, and already I break the noodle. So 1 cup of water I will add it. Sorry for the noise, I cannot help it. So here goes your water. And now first I will add the spices or masala. Here this is the chili oil kind of thing inside that, not the chili oil, little bit of spice. And this oil, the taste is really divine. And by the way, I am using this brand, but you can use any brand, whatever Korean brand you have in your market, you can use it. And then another, the taste maker. I'll show you, this is the taste maker, so I'm adding that also. Oh, I have to cut it. So this one is almost done. The taste will be, I'm telling you, it's yummy. And now I will add this ramen noodles and cook it properly. The serving will be fun, I can tell you. So I have to give a stir. And cover it. So I'm preparing it in high heat, you can see. So at this point of time I'll take a break. The live is going on, you can see the live cooking, and I will be right back within few seconds or minutes. 1 minute is more than enough, I guess. So I have to clean the station actually. So in that case I am cleaning it because I'm almost done. And yes, meanwhile I have to keep stirring it, otherwise it is not going to be soft. So I have to stir it. The serving portion, the serving part is very easy. If you like spicy thing, then you can use gochujang paste or gochujang sauce in this recipe. That will be perfectly fine. It's very easy. Sometimes it's better to prepare some food at home. You can always go to restaurant, but you know, let me tell you what is the costing. I always in each video I tell you the costing. So if you're going for the restaurant, every time you cannot go to the restaurant. Sometimes you have to save money because the Shera, Durga Puja, as I'm Bengali, so we have the Durga Puja, we have to save money because we have to spend it during the Durga Puja. And Diwali or ours is Kali Puja. Bhai Phota, Bhai Dooj is there. So in that case, what you will do if you don't have that much of money, so it will cost you around 300, 350. But if you are preparing at home, it will cost around 100 because the noodles I'm using, it's around 40 rupees. If you are using the costliest one, that will be around 70 rupees noodles. And then spring onion, actually I grew it in my kitchen garden. So if you're going to the, what I can say, if you're going to market, it is almost done. Okay, so it's time for serve. So I'll do the serve. So if you're, as I said, if you're going to the market, in that case how much it will cost you? Maximum 10 rupees. And then coming that bok choy. It will be around 35 rupees maximum if you're using bok choy, and if you're using palang, that will be less than that. So right now I'm serving it in a bowl, so I have to shift it. If you want to see how I am serving, then I have to shift the camera again. I hope I'm placing it in a right way. Here is my bowl. So there is my bowl, and it's a very easy serve. No fancy serve, no nothing like that. Just serve it in a bowl. The bowl is bigger than my food, as because I don't have any other bowl left, unfortunately. Here goes my pok choy or bok choy, and this is my ramen, and lots of protein. This is going to be my dinner tonight. I don't eat much, so that's why it will be good for my dinner. And now the final plating. Actually, I don't find my spatula. Here you go, my spatula. So I'm done with my serving, but one thing is missing, that is the egg. This is the easiest cooking, I can say. You don't need something fancy, you can get it at home. So finally the egg is here, and I have my cute thing. Let me show you. So this is my thing, chopstick. So how was the recipe? Tell me that. So I'm going to finish it off very soon. It is done, and never mind, that is my place. And I'm drenched. So just a thing. Here we are done, and I'm showing it to you. So this is my bowl of ramen. So how was the recipe? Let me know, and you can always comment, but I don't find anybody is commenting. I cannot see it. So this is my ramen bowl. Actually it's a bowl. Oh, by the way, this bowl is gifted to me by one of my friend, that is Manjuri. She give it this bowl for another purpose, but I'm using for the first time for this purpose. And guess what? No, I'm not telling you. Okay, fine. She's a vegetarian and I'm using this. I'm non-vegetarian. So this is our friendship, and this is the bowl I'm preparing. So bye.